How to check video storage on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to General as shown. Then, go to iPhone Storage as shown. This section displays how much storage is used and available, along with a list of apps and their storage usage. You can also find recommendations for freeing up space, such as offloading unused apps or managing photos and videos. Scroll down to the apps list and tap on Photos. Over here, scroll down to the end and go to Review your videos. You can review the videos taking up the most storage in the Photos app and keep only what you want. Following these steps, you can easily check video storage on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.